Allahabad High Court APS Series B exercise 13 at the speed of 110 words per minute. Be ready? Start. On being enacted by Parliament, the Consumer Protection Act 2019 was published in the Gazette of India on 9th August 2019 by SO 2351E dated 15th July 2020. The material provisions of the Act of 2019 were notified to come into force on 20th July 2020 by SO 2421E dated 23 July 2020. Several other provisions were brought into force with effect from 24 July 2020. The appellants instituted a consumer case before the National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission on 18 June 2020. The consumer case was instituted under the provisions of the erstwhile legislation, the Consumer Protection Act 1986. The NCDRC, by its order dated 30 July 2020, dismissed the consumer case on the ground that after the enforcement of the Act of 2019, its pecuniary jurisdiction has been enhanced from rupees 1 crore to rupees 10 crores. The appellant's review petition was also dismissed by the NCDRC on 5 October 2020. In the present case, the claim of rupees 2.19 crores is below the enhanced pecuniary jurisdiction of the NCDRC stop para. The complainants in the consumer case are in appeal. The issue which arises in the appeals is whether a complaint which was filed and registered under the Act of 1986 before the new Act of 2019 came into force has to be entertained under the provisions of the erstwhile legislation. In anticipation of the enforcement of the Act of 2019, an administrative notice was issued by the NCDRC on 17 July 2020 to allow the functioning of its registry for fresh filings on 18 July 2020, since the new law was to come into force on 20 July 2020. The appellants are also aggrieved by the fact that, contrary to the position taken in its case, other benches of the NCDRC have admitted complaints instituted before 20 July 2020. This grievance, apart the issue which arises in the appeals, would turn upon a construction of Section 107 of the Act of 2019, among other provisions of the new legislation, and its interplay with Section 6 of the General Clauses Act 1897 stop para. Consumer markets for goods and services have undergone drastic transformation since the enactment of the Consumer Protection Act 1986. The analysis of the court, despite the new legislation, will not proceed on a clean slate, for there is precedent which holds the field that both sides rely upon the line of precedent in the unfolding of their cases makes the interpretational task intricate. Our task will be to bring a solution that has a sense of cohesion while harmonizing precedential learning with justice. Stop para. A brief narration of the facts would assist with context upon the payment of an advance of rupees 3.50 lakhs on 25 November 2011 by the appellants. The respondent provisionally allotted a residential unit in a real estate project described as KRESCNT Homes, admeasuring a superbuilt area of 114.27 crore square meters, which was being developed by the respondent at JP Greens, Noida. The total consideration was fixed at rupees 56.45 lakhs, and possession was intended to be conveyed within a period of 42 months from the execution of the agreement of the provisional allotment letter. The appellants have stated that between December 2011 till date, they have paid an amount of rupees 53.84 lakhs out of the total consideration of rupees 56.45 lakhs. Stop.